Imagine a world where AI agents collaborate seamlessly to solve complex problems. Multi-agent AI systems are not just a vision, they're the future of intelligent automation. AWS provides the tools to make this future a reality. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Amazon SageMaker lets you train and deploy AI models at scale, while AWS Lambda executes tasks with serverless architecture. These services form the backbone of your AI system, enabling efficient model management. Amazon Bedrock integrates foundation models for enhanced communication, and AWS Step Functions orchestrate AI workflows. Together, they ensure seamless coordination between AI agents, enhancing system efficiency. With Amazon Kinesis and IoT, real-time data processing and decision-making become possible. These services empower AI agents to analyze data instantly, making informed decisions on the fly. Start by defining roles for data processing, decision-making, and monitoring agents. Train AI models using Amazon SageMaker and deploy them with AWS Lambda for optimal performance. Establish communication between agents using AWS Step Functions and IoT. Store and retrieve data efficiently with Amazon DynamoDB and S3, ensuring your system runs smoothly. AI-powered agents are transforming industries like customer support, smart manufacturing, and healthcare. By integrating AWS AI tools, you can build a next-gen multi-agent AI system tailored to your needs. Start your journey today. Explore AWS services and begin building your multi-agent AI system. Together, we can unlock the full potential of intelligent automation.